Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all well. This is Zinat Miss with the subject BGS for class 3. In my previous class, I have finished chapter 5 and given you some homeworks. I hope you have done them already. Today, I'm going to read and make you understand chapter 6. For this, open your book, page number 32. The name of the chapter is Improving Our Social Environment. You have already known what is our social environment. A group of people and their activities are called social environment. Topic number 1, helping the family. We live in families. Do you know what is family? When a group of people lives together, they form a family. Our family may include a father, mother, brothers and sisters. Include, that means in our family we can have our father, mother, brothers and sisters all together. It may also include a grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts or other relatives. That means sometimes some other relatives can also live with us and become the member of our family. In a family, we love and respect each other. We should also help with work around the home. When we live all together, we can help each other. That's how we can be a good member of our family. We should tidy away our books, pens, and bag ourselves. What is tidy? Tidy means arrange neatly or arrange everything in order. So when you come back from school, you can tidy away all your books, pens, bag, like this, everything by yourself. We should store our clothes neatly. We should help the younger ones not to make a mess. That means when you have your younger brother or sister at home, they are very small, they don't know what to do, sometimes they can make a mess. So you have to take care of them and make them understand, or you can help them not so that they can't make a mess. And we should help parents in many different activities. There are some other activities at home. We can also help them. Now go to page number 33. Here in page number 33, you can find some exercises like exercise B. It is written, write what you can do to help another person in your family. Now you can find something to help your family. Think about it and write it in the book in this exercise B. Now go to page number 34. Page number 34. Topic number 2. Helping at home. We can do lots of work around the home. We need to keep the house clean. You can help your mom to make the house clean. We need to fetch and carry food and water and lay the table. That means fetch. Do you know what is the meaning of fetch? The meaning of fetch is go and bring. Now you can go to the kitchen and bring all the foods from your mom and carry them in the dining table. You can also fetch water and lay them in the dining table to have your lunch or dinner. You can help your mom or any members of your family by carrying the food and water and lay the table. We should help in cleaning dirty places. Sometimes there are some dirts around the house. You can also help to clean them. We may need to help outside with plants and watering. Sometimes we have some open places in front of our house. You can have some garden there, have some plants. So you can also help outside by planting and by watering the plants. We help each other in household works to build a happy family. When we help each other in the house, then we can have a happy family and everyone will be very happy. Now go to page number 35. Here we can also find some exercises like exercise number B. It is written, write your own lists of what you do to help under these headings. There are some headings like tidying, helping at the dining table, cleaning. You can think on your own about doing something for your family and write them here in the book. Here you can also see exercise C. Here it is written, with your family, make a plan of tasks to do on each day of the week. So we have 7 days in the week. Here the name of 2 days are written, Sunday or Monday. Now you can write 3 things what you want to do on Sunday and 3 things what you want to do on Monday. You will think with your family, make a plan, and you can write the task here in the book. Now go to page number 36. Topic number 3, helping at school. When you go to school, here you can also help. Like we go to school to learn and play. But just as in a family, we can also help at school. In the classroom, we can help arrange the chairs and tables neatly. Neatly. What is neatly? To arrange everything in order, that is neatly. So you can arrange all the chairs and tables so that everyone can sit properly. We can help keep the board clean. We should not throw litter in the classroom. Do you know what is litter? Trash such as paper, bottle, can, or anything that is left lying in an open or public place, that is called litter. So if you have anything lying on the floor, that you can call them litter, and you should not throw litter in the classroom. Outside the class, we should help to keep the playground clean. If you have a playground in front of your school, you can also help to clean the playground. We could grow flowers and look after those. In the open place, we can make a garden and you can also look after the flowers. We should help our teacher by being attentive in class. What is attentive? Attentive means to pay attention. So you can also help your teacher by paying attention when you are in the class. We should not make noises inside the classroom. We should behave well at school functions. School functions, there are some functions when we gather together and have some fun. So you have to also be very quiet and attentive when you are in a school functions. Now go to page number 37. Here you can see there is another exercises like exercise A. There are many ideas in the text for participating in development works of school. So here in page number 36, you have known many ideas how you can be a good person in the school and be very helpful. So here we can also have some headings like in the classroom, outside, or during lessons. You can think about something, what you can do in the classroom and outside, or what you can do during the lessons to help your teacher or being a good student in the school, and you're gonna write them in the book. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. Now I'm gonna give you some homeworks. For that, I'm gonna give you some spellings. For that, first go to page number 32. I'm gonna tell you all the spellings and you're gonna underline the spellings in your book. Now from page number 32, I'm gonna give you some spellings like include, I-N-C-L-U-D-E, include. Spelling number 1, include. Spelling number 2, relatives, R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S. Spelling number 3, respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Now go to page number 34. From page number 34, spelling number 4 is around, A-R-R-O-U-N-D, around. Spelling number 5, household, H-O-U-S-E, house, H-O-L-D, hold, household. Now go page number 36. From page number 36, spelling number 6, arrange, A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Spelling number 7, neatly, N-E-A-T-L-Y. Spelling number 8, liter, L-I-T-T-E-R. Spelling number 9, attentive, A-T-T-E-N-T-I-V-E. Spelling number 10, functions, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S, functions. These are the 10 spellings I'm gonna give you for your homework. Now I'm gonna tell you all the homeworks. Page number 33. Page number 33, exercise B, you're gonna do it in the book. Page number 35. Page number 35, exercise B and exercise C. You're gonna do it in the book. Page number 37. Page number 37, exercise A. You're gonna do it in the book. And spellings from 1 to 10, you're gonna learn plus write in your homework copy. That means first you're gonna learn all the spellings and then write them in your homework copy. And I'm gonna give you some special homeworks like the WH questions. You have done it before. I want you to make 5 WH questions with their answers. The question and answers both must be very small, very short question answers. You're gonna find them from the book and write them in your homework copy. I'm gonna give you an example. Like the question is, what we should do with our books? The answer can be like this: we should tidy away our books by ourselves. See, very small questions and very small answers. You can also find many more questions and answers like this. So find out and make 5 WH questions with their answers and write them in your homework copy. I hope you have understood everything. That's all for today. See you soon. Until then, be good, listen to your parents, and don't forget to do the homeworks. Bye.